Welcome back to Nikki's Scrapbooking Adventures. Today we are going to be playing with We Are Family by Lori Whitlock. This is an older kit. It looks like it might have been made in 2016. I did pick this up from eBay, and I picked up two because I love the color scheme. This right here is my jam. Another thing we're playing with is a Cherry on Top blog. Offers free inspiration in a Becky Fleck sketch challenge. Now this is challenge 300 and it's due midnight on November 2nd in order to post it. They're picking 3 winners to receive 1,000 cherry points while everybody else gets 100. So if you haven't checked out a Cherry on Top, this is actually one of the favorite places that I love to shop because every purchase that you make gets points that you can use toward your next purchase. Now it's kind of like you get, I don't know exactly, like 1,000 points is $5 off or something like that. So you do have to spend to earn. But what's really cool is that they offer 20% off every pre-order as long as you use the pre-order code, which you can find on the website pretty quickly. If you look at the website, I'm on an iPhone. Or not iPhone, excuse me, an Android. So it might be different on an iPhone, but if you click on this free shipping, it'll tell you the promo codes that you need in order to get the free shipping or the pre-order 20% off. So definitely check out a Cherry on Top. I do have affiliate links through that website. So if you decide to go check it out, click on the link below, and if you make any purchases, a small contribution goes towards me, which is really appreciated. It doesn't cost you anything. It is absolutely free. But I would love to make some money while scrapbooking, and that is one way to do it. So let's jump through this collection kit just so you can see what this is. I love these colors. And what was nice about these older collections, excuse me, it was 2014. You can see the copyright down here, is that they had element sheets and alphabets. So, getting 2 of these, I got 2 sets of alphas and 2 sets of element icons. So, now, this might have been the style back in 2014, but the elements are huge. Absolutely massive. And I like to do like about half the size with my elements. So, we'll see what happens. I absolutely love this recorded section right here. And if you look at the sketch, it has a little banner up here that's like these scallops, but I think I'm going to use this recorded just to give you an idea. So those are the 2 sticker sheets that you receive with this collection. You will have to find this on eBay. It is not available on a Cherry on Top because it's simply too old. So I have 2 of every sheet, but I have cut into some. So this is an example of a sheet that I've cut into. I love these flowers. I think that's really cool. And then you've got pretty much 2 of everything else. I've only used this collection on 1 layout. But look, I've used this one and this one as well because I am obsessed with hot air balloons. So very bright, fun colors. And I am really excited to go ahead and use this one. So there's an example of another one I used. And then these cut-aparts are very usable, I think. You've got spaces for journaling, you've got title blocks. I like this paper too, I just think it's fun. I just love this collection. I am so glad I picked up 2. And then here, look at the viewfinders. Isn't that fun? So you can see I've punched out several of the viewfinders already and used them. And then here is the leftover. So I'm going to go ahead and pick my papers for that sketch and we'll come back and decorate. So I figured out my base page. I cut this block 5 by 10. And then I used my We Are layer guides to adhere the green piece. I just felt like this dark background against this, there needed to be a break between the 2. So I decided just to go ahead and matte my paper. I will not be matting my photos, I don't think. They stand out pretty good against this paper already. So I don't think I'll be matting those. But now it's time to kind of decorate and take a look at the sketch and what I can add to this to make it look like that. Okay? I did just notice that they have some string here. That would have been kind of fun, but I already adhered, so I'm not going to worry about that at all. I tried to use that recorded piece and it did not work well right here with the busy background. So I'm opting to use this piece here. Now, when I adhered this paper, I did make sure to go away from the edge so that I can tuck whatever I need to tuck down there. I did decide that I could cut that border, and I'm going to tuck that right under here. Oh, I like it like that, actually, with the extra blue. And then I noticed there is a tag here that they're using for journaling. I'm not a huge fan of the shape of tags. I like banners better. So I cut a banner out of a scrap piece of white cardstock, and then I added the rest of that border, or part of it. So I still get some of it, but not all of it. So that's that. And then there's this perfect banner sticker on the alphabet carrier sheet. Life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful. I thought that would be super cute right there. So that is how those are going to land. That's how that's going to land. They did have a couple more tabs here, and I'm not quite convinced I'm going to use them yet, but that is cute. And then it would be kind of fun to bring this here, because look at this dog. Isn't this so cute? I just think that's really cute. Okay, so that actually works really well. So I'm going to go ahead and adhere this while we're on together, because I just need to get it done. I am doing just need to get it done. So there is eyeballing it. Perfect. And then this is going to go here. I need to get my date stamp ready, because I did notice I put the date on here, but I haven't gotten my date stamp ready. So that's going to land like that to cover up both seams. Date stamp. These were taken 8, so August 21st, 2022. So I got that ready. I always get my date stamp ready while I'm in the process of making my layout, so that when I do adhere my photos, I don't have to rip them back up to figure out what the date is. Just a little trick. Perfect, just like that. So now I get to decorate more. I've got plenty of stickers to use on both sheets here. Now, I think this little red banner is going to be my title. Because there's so many words, I'm going to try to stay away from the words for down here. So it might be fun to pull in some of these flowers instead. So there are plenty of flowers to use. Let me go ahead and put that one right there. We got another big one. We'll put this. I just don't want to cover up that dog. He is so stinking cute looking on them. That's so fun. Okay, and I love the word, the and, because that is a lot of fun. The perfect little thing for this. Bringing some of those flowers down and over. Just helps tie in that black paper here. Okay, so here, here, and here. Do I want to add anything to over here? I could add another banner on top. So there's Simply Wonderful or You Make My World Go Round. No, I think that's okay. Do I want to add anything up here like they mentioned in the sketch? They put a little date tab there. And I could go break out my punch, or I could just go like this. Let's see. Yeah, that looks good. And then I'll put my punch right in there. Let's make sure it fits. It does, using some StazOn. Now, normally what I do for my date is I put it on the bottom corner of a photo. But since I've got a spot there for it, that is where it's gonna go. Cool. Anything else I can think of? I've got those. It doesn't expand as much as I was hoping, and that's okay. Not a big deal. But there's nothing really besides this recorded and these little tabs that lend themselves to going upside down, if that makes sense. Okay. I'm going to stick that right there, actually. Get it closer to the dog's head, and we will put a little blue flower like that. Oh, well, I just saw this heart. Like, there. That's good. Okay. Cool, cool. Well, that was a super easy sketch. I've got my story recorded, so that is always fun. And that, my friends, is my layout for the day. Don't forget to go ahead and check out the Cherry blog to see if you can enter for Becky Fleck Sketch Challenge. I believe they're weekly, so you do have plenty of opportunity to get those in. You do have to have an account with the cherry on top. And if you do decide to go shopping, please hit that affiliate link down below so that it tracks any purchases that you make and kind of puts it under my name so I get a small commission. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.